We're here this evening in Fort Worth for their fall gallery night. And our first stop is Spider Lily Studios. Doesn't seem like there is enough space for Juqui to go in and mingle. So we're taking shifts. I got the first shift sitting out here on the sidewalk, enjoying the fall evening with Juqui, catching the nice evening vibe here early fall in Fort Worth.
Hey, little baby. Little baby, come here. Come here. Come here, Juqui. Come here, Juqui. Here's Bubba.
All right,
Here's
your
baby.
turn.
Hey, this time, here's baby dog. You're gonna be my dog. You friend. Me and you my friend.
I always love seeing these types of exhibits. The big group shows hung salon style. The variety of works you see. And you never know when you'll find someone whose work you admire. T.C. Oliver was there with his woodcut reliefs. I've shown him at Plush for a couple of years now. I can never get enough of his carved tattoo art and vintage cowboy-era work. I noticed some other artists from previous Plush shows. Alistair Ventiers, Robert Garza, and lots of new ones too.
I'm here tonight at Spider Lily Studios with Chel, and I thought I'd ask her how she got going with this shop and showing art and doing all this cool stuff.
I mean, I've been tattooing for about 8 years now. I've worked in shops in Fort Worth for about 6. And then my co-owner that I had started tattooing with, eventually she came to me and she was like, are you ready? Are you ready to do this ourselves and, you know, get out of the rat race? And we're basically like, if we don't do this now, what if there's another fucking coronavirus? Like, let's just do it. Love the space, love the community, love hosting art events, gallery nights, really just kind of bridging the gap between, you know, tattooing as an art form and fine arts. And so we can kind of bring those two worlds together, I think, a little easier with the space.
Spider Lily Studios. Cool space, cool place, cool people to hang out with.
This is your dad. This is.
It's just kind of a killer.
The night.
I am the night.
Yes.
It's our second stop for the evening. Fort Works art. Looks like Hotel Dryce. I don't know what else. Lots of cool stuff happening tonight. Fort Worth Gallery Walk.
Fort Works art was packed out. Almost immediately, I ran into a compelling set of Chuck and George, my Troishka dolls. A little further in, I came across George himself, Brian Scott, who proceeded to give me a tour of his favorite works there.
Well, let's see your report.
I convinced him to show me the dolls he made with his partner, Brian Jones. And next thing you know, you turn me right round, baby, right round, like a record, baby, right around, round.
What was that all about?
It was lots of noise and people and elbows and things to see and sensory overwhelmingness.
Juqui's got the best view out here.
Juqui is the bestest. Juqui!
Juquila, la Oaxaqueña, in Tejas.
We walked out into the parking lot next to Hotel Dryce. and found an itinerant art sale going on there. Lots of arts, crafts, food trucks, and of course conversations going on. Next, I walked over to Hotel Dryce, where Hachimitsu Art, Taylor, had a table showing off her erotic, feminist-themed work.
Oh my gosh, there's like a whole busload of people unloading. Looks like we got here at the right time before it's inundated.
I've really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
It's been a very interesting and fun experience.
Juqui gives it 2 paws up.
Yes.
And with that, we left out into the night.
Singing joy to the world. All the boys and girls now. Joy to the fishes in the deep blue sea.
My voice broke
Joy,
up.
you and me.
Yes.
Born to be wild.
Oh, speed bump.
We're being wild, man.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I've got pieces of April. Keep a memory bouquet. I've got pieces of April. But it's a morning